Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on the Valora application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Valora application and then log into your account using your biometrics or your PIN. Once you have logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, right from your homepage, you will be able to buy crypto by simply tapping on the swap button. Once you tap on swap, you will be able to select which currency you want to use to buy your desired crypto. In the From section at the right side, tap on the drop-down menu and select which asset you want to use to buy your crypto. Then within the To section at the right side, tap on the Swap To drop-down menu and then select which crypto you want to buy. Once you do this, either enter the amount of currency you want to spend or enter the amount of crypto that you want to receive, and then tap on the Review button. Once you tap on Review, you can proceed with buying your selected crypto, and then the crypto that you just bought will be added to your Valora wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy crypto on the Valora wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.